Okay, YouTube, check this out. We're at the Lockwoods house, and we got the KLX here. This is the before we got this. We actually got this bike for totally free. Has no chain. It's kind of in rough shape, but we got it running already. All the parts are pretty much there except for plastics and stuff. It's been repainted, but we got it for free. We got all new plastics here. We got Pipe Dream Motorsports here, helping out with the build. And we'll keep you updates as we go. So this sprocket, or this dirt bike, came without a chain on it. And one thing we noticed right away is that the sprocket is bent. I don't know how that happened. So we went ahead and ordered both sprockets, front and rear, and a new chain, old chain, new plastics, and a seat. So this thing should look pretty good when it's all put back together.
Wait, is it actually? I forget.
Oh
my goodness.
Micah.
Oh my word.
Nice job, Micah.
My bad, boys.
What the heck did these come from?
Those are the shoes right there. Those are shoes.
Those are not shoes. Those are little chunks of rubber that are going to disintegrate the next time I use. Are they brake pads?
What are you talking about? Look at these, dude. They're just the shoes.
Pads for, you don't have brakes. Oh, why does this one have a washer and tail?
I don't know. This is it. And then one is an 8.
Actually, can you just go get like your binky or something and like sit on timeout?
No, Micah.
I'm just kidding, Ashley.
Put a better something more. You dropped the tire.
You dropped a whole boatload of crap.
More than the tire.
Boy.
I'm about to take a break.
I don't know why he's always over here filming, because literally nobody cares.
Okay, here we go.
floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
There we go, boys. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video of restoring the little KLX110. It's a 2005 and we got it for free, and I'd say the build went pretty well for what it was, and went pretty well and quick. Shout out to Pipe Dream Motorsports for helping out with this build. I'll put their link to Instagram in the description below, so check that out and follow them. Yeah, stay tuned for the next videos to come. We'll see you guys in the next one.